Hello dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about types of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms in organic compounds, homologous series and functional groups. These topics are from the chapter GOC. Types of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms in organic compounds. Students, in general, organic compounds contains 4 different types of carbons and 3 different types of hydrogens. In organic compounds, four types of carbons and 3 types of hydrogens are present. 3 types of hydrogens are present. Let us discuss about the types of carbons first. Types of carbons. First type of carbon is primary, which is indicated with the 1 degree. Primary carbon. Carbon atom which is connected with only one carbon atom, one other carbon atom or no carbon atom that is called as a primary carbon, which is indicated with the 1 degree carbon. Second type of carbon atoms is secondary, indicated with the 2 degree carbon or secondary carbon. Carbon atom which is connected with 2 other carbon atoms, that is in the organic compounds. Third type is called as tertiary, which is indicated with the 3 degree or tertiary carbon is carbon atom which is connected with 3 other carbon atoms. 3 other carbons is called as tertiary carbon atom. Students, let us discuss about the 4th type of carbon atom now. Students, 4th type of carbon is quaternary carbon. Which is indicated with the 4 degree carbon. Carbon atom which is connected with 4 other carbon atoms is known as quaternary carbon or 4 degree carbon. And in the organic compounds, 3 types of hydrogens are present. Types of hydrogens. types of hydrogens. That is, first one is primary, which is indicated with the 1 degree hydrogen. Hydrogen atom which is connected with primary carbon is called as primary hydrogen. Secondary hydrogen which is indicated with the 2 degree hydrogen, that is hydrogen atom which is connected with secondary carbon. And third type of hydrogen is tertiary or 3 degree hydrogen. Hydrogen atom which is connected with tertiary carbon is called as tertiary hydrogen. Students, quaternary hydrogen, it is not possible. When the carbon is attached with the 4 other carbons, that is called as a quaternary carbon. So carbon valence, we know it is 4. When it is connected with the 4 other carbon atoms, there is no possibility of this quaternary carbon is connected with the hydrogen. So in the organic compounds, 4 different types of carbons are possible: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. But hydrogens, only 3 types of hydrogens are possible. Let us take one example for this. Students, let us take one example now. In the given organic compound, C, single bond C, this is connected with the 3 other hydrogens like this: CH3 and CH3H, CH2, CH3, like this it is given organic compound, right? Hydrocarbon. In this case, this carbon is attached with the only other 1 carbon only. So this we can call it as a primary carbon which is attached with the only 1 carbon, other carbon or no carbon atoms, that is called as a primary carbon. This is primary carbon. So all these hydrogens which are connected with the primary carbon, we can call it as a primary hydrogens. 1 degree hydrogen. Students, this carbon is attached with the 2 other carbons. So this is secondary carbon. And the hydrogens which is attached with the secondary carbon, we can call it as a secondary hydrogen. Then this carbon valency always satisfied with the 4 bonds, right? Carbon is attached with the 1, 2, 3 carbons. So this we can call it as a tertiary carbon or 3 degree carbon. And the hydrogen which is attached with the tertiary carbon, we can call it as a tertiary hydrogen. So this carbon which is connected with the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, we can call it as a quaternary or 4 degree carbon. And there is no possibility of hydrogen is connected with the quaternary carbon, because already 4 valencies of carbon is completed with the single bonds with the 4 other carbon atoms. So types of carbons is 4. types of hydrogens is only 3. That is, for hydrogens, primary hydrogen which is connected with the primary carbon, we can call it as primary hydrogen. Hydrogen which is connected with the secondary carbon is secondary hydrogen. Hydrogen which is connected with the tertiary carbon, we can call it as tertiary hydrogen. Carbons, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary also possible, but hydrogen quaternary is not possible. So quaternary carbon is carbon which is attached with the 4 other carbon atoms, we can call it as a quaternary carbon. Students, now let us discuss about the functional groups. Students, next topic is functional groups. Functional groups. Functional group is atom or group of atoms which largely determines the property of organic compounds, the properties of organic compounds is known as functional groups. Functional groups. Students, generally organic compounds or organic chemistry will deals with the hydrocarbons, study of hydrocarbons and the study of derivatives of hydrocarbons. Organic chemistry deals with the study of hydrocarbons and the derivatives of hydrocarbons. For example, we'll take one formula like CH3, like ethane we are taking, right? One of the hydrogen atom is replaced with the OH group, minus H and plus OH. So this one of the hydrogen is replaced with the OH group. Then we will get alcohol CH3CH2OH we are getting. So the organic chemistry mainly deals with the study of hydrocarbons and the derivatives of hydrocarbons. Here this OH group will largely determines the property of these compounds. We can call it as a functional group. For example, if you take a methane CH4, one of the hydrogen is replaced with the COOH group. Then we will get CH3COOH. So here carboxylic acid, this is called as a functional group, right? The atom, if it is a ether, students, for example, you take CH3 dimethyl ether, CH3OCH3. Here only one single atom which determines the properties of organic compound. Atom or group of atoms which largely determines the properties of organic compounds is called as a functional groups. Now let us discuss about the homologous series. Students, next topic is homologous series. Homologous series. The series of organic compounds with the same general formula and similar methods of preparation, similar methods of preparation and similar methods of preparation, chemical properties and regular gradation in physical properties is known as homologous series. And students, in the homologous series, successive member is differ by one CH2. For example, if we take alkanes, general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes, general formula CnH2n. Alkynes, which has general formula CnH2n minus 2. If it is alcohol which is having the general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH is a general formula. Students, homologous series is a series of organic compounds, same general formula. If you take alkanes, if you substitute N is equal to 1, you will get it as a CH4. Next compound, you should add a CH to this, C2H6. Then next compound, to get the next compound, this is, we have to add a CH2 to this, C3H8 we will get. Students, then these have similar methods of preparation. In general, some exceptions are there. Generally, if some compounds which are present in the same homologous series, they have similar methods of preparation and similar chemical properties, but regular gradation in the physical properties it is observed. If the boiling point of CH4 is, assume it is some X, and for the C2H6 it is Y, then for the C3H8 it is Z, then regular gradation it will observe. So down the group, or as the molecular mass increases, then the boiling point increases. Regular gradation is observed. This is known as homologous series.